Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling with Stone. So today is going to be a video, kind of like just a review and try on video of some contact lenses. So I was sent some contacts from feelgoodcontacts.com, which is one of the largest retailers in the UK for selling contact lenses and sunglasses, you guys. So I was pretty excited about that. And what was even better about it is that they actually sell the brand of contacts I wear. So whenever I wear colored contacts, I wear the Fresh Look Air Optics brand. So what's different and unique about this brand is that the contacts are actually painted like the color from the inside of the lens and not on the outside of the lens, which mostly all contacts are painted on the outside. So by them painting on the inside of the lens, it gives you a more natural look. So even though you might know these are contacts, especially in the daylight, you guys, they look so natural. I get people asking me all the time, like, what color are your eyes? Because they really think this is my eye color. I know it's not my eye color, so I don't really think that. But in the daylight, it really gives you a very natural appearance. So that's pretty cool. The color that I'm wearing now is called Sterling Gray. I know it gives you like a blue type of look, but it's called Sterling Gray. And once again, this is the Air Optics brand from Fresh Look, Sterling Gray. Okay, you guys, so this is the next color contacts. This is the same Fresh Look Air Optics brand, and this is in the color Hazel. And they're pretty comfortable, you guys, for the most part. With my clear contacts, which is from a different brand, I can wear them all day and all night, and they be, and they're pretty much really comfortable, even if I happen to sleep in them, which never sleep in these, you guys. This is just for one day use. Put them back in the case and, wear them again the next day. But let me just give you a little disclaimer about these Air Optics. They give you a very natural appearance, but at the same time, after about 16 hours of wear, they start getting pretty irritating. So you definitely don't want to sleep in these. They're really cute, very natural looking, but definitely you want to take these bad boys out before you go to sleep, you guys. So yeah, this is the color Hazel. So this next color contacts that I'm wearing right here is in the color blue. It's the same Air Optics brand contacts, but this is in the color blue, you guys. And if you guys wanted to know, my contacts are prescribed. I'm a negative 4.0. So yeah, I'm pretty blind, you guys. They're definitely prescribed. So if you need a prescription, they're definitely going to be able to hook that up for you guys. So this is the Fresh Look Air Optics brand in the color blue. My eyes are watering a little bit from keep switching out contacts so fast like this. But this is the last color that they sent me, and this is the Air Optics brand in the color green. So yeah, they also sent some contact solution by the brand Comfy, all-in-one solution. So this contact solution they sent, and then of course contact cases for all of the contacts they sent. It was a very cute little package. So yeah, this one is the color green by Air Optics. So yeah. If you guys wanted to purchase any of these contacts that I showed you, or just any other brand of contacts that you needed, whether it be prescribed or not, I have links in the description box to where you can get these contacts from feelgoodcontacts.com. Like I said, they're one of the leading online retailers of contact lenses and sunglasses over in the UK, which is like super dope, you guys. So yeah, I'll leave that information in the description box. I also have a coupon for you guys, a coupon code, so you can get 10% off, you guys, if you make a purchase with them. So that's pretty cool as well. If you have any additional questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave it down below in the comments section. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, thank you so much for rolling with Stone.